Your bedroom is a haven where comfort and style coexist, not merely a place to sleep. Imagine entering a comfortable haven that blends the classic beauty of historical design with the allure of rustic farmhouse aesthetics. We'll show you 5 amazing ideas to design the ideal rustic farmhouse antique bedroom today. Rustic wooden furniture is the heart of farmhouse aesthetics. Opt for distressed finishes, earthy tones, and antique-inspired pieces that exude warmth and timeless charm. A vintage wardrobe or an old-style wooden bed frame can act as the centerpiece, complemented by intricately carved nightstands and a soft, neutral tone color palette. In order to create the warm, old feel, textiles are essential. Layering textiles such as lace curtains, knitted blankets, and comforters gives the room depth and personality. For that distinctively vintage look, choose faded paisleys, gingham, or floral designs. Lighting sets the tone for your rustic farmhouse bedroom. Choose soft, warm lighting with fixtures like antique chandeliers, table lamps, or wall sconces. Edison bulbs and candle-inspired lights enhance the vintage charm. Decor adds personality and warmth to the space. Think antique picture frames, vintage clocks, woven baskets, and dried flowers. Each piece should feel intentional, adding to the nostalgic charm of your bedroom. The rustic farmhouse style thrives on earthy and muted tones. Shades like beige, cream, soft blues, and greens bring a calming effect. Tie everything together with accents like hand-woven rugs and antique accessories. If you love these ideas, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to *Farmhouse Bliss *, and turn on notifications for more inspiring design content.